Now let us talk about a custom data type that programmers or developers can create on their own for their own purpose, and that is enum. Enum is very useful for programmers or developers to create their own data type, to define the set of values that can be included into it, instead of using any other primitive data type variable which cannot serve to that purpose. So let me explain it to you what exactly it is. Over here I have a program in which I have created an enum, and in this enum I have defined the different values that can be stored in this enums variable. So what I've created over here is season. So season, we have 4 seasons: winter, summer, spring, fall, whatever it is. So I have defined these 4 values. If I'll define an enum variable, that enum variable can only store one of these one of these 4 values, not anything else except it. So let's have a look at the program that I've created to explain you the enum. So I've created an enum. So first of all, to create an enum, what you need to do is you need to create a new Apex class, and inside that Apex class, instead of writing down public class, just remove that class and write down the public enum, and then whatever the name you want to set for that particular enum, and then the values inside the curly braces, and the values needs to be separated by a comma. So this is how you basically create an enum. And to use an enum, I have created how to use an enum. I've created a program over here which shows you that season s. So s variable is of type season, and season is nothing but an enum in your in your org. And if you want to define a value for this particular season, you need to do it like this: season dot winter. And if you want to change the value, season dot fall. And if you'll see in this program, if I'll write down season dot, then there are only 4 values that are coming: fall, spring, summer, winter, because this variable can only store one of these 4 values, not anything except these 4 values. So that's all about enums. I hope you got it.